This is the real deal. I want to just say thank you. As I sit here on my lunch break, I've spent a small fortune on trainings for real estate, stock market investing, which is a passion of mine. But I've realized that I racked up a whole bunch of debt without a lot of results. And of all of those programs that I purchased, not one, as in zero, have I ever been able to set up a time to talk with the person, man or woman, at the top, say, this is what you need to do, step 1, 2, 3. It's always one of my associates or one of my trained personally by me, fill in the blank crap you want to throw in there. You are the only person that, this isn't the first time, this is the second time where I've had one-on-one conversations with you where we worked on list of questions. You went through and answered them fully. We did some real world examples of actually how to implement the stuff that you talk about. And not only that, but we flipped it in the real world scenarios where we traded roles for the things that I was having the most problem with. And now as I get off of this conversation, I feel a lot better because you always, answer the questions, make me feel good about it. And you also continue to provide positive feedback. I've never heard anything negative come out of your mouth since the time I've been involved with your program. So kudos to you, brother. Kudos to you. Thank you very much.
I appreciate that. And man, we weren't planning on doing a testimonial, and I appreciate just the candidness. It's humbling. I'm curious, outside of the interaction, because I'd block off my Fridays literally just to meet with as many of you as I can. If I could stack them back to back to back, I would. I'm surprised at how many people don't take advantage of that. And so I'd love to keep going at your convenience as well, just knowing that Fridays are open for Kyle and I. But I'm curious, in the last few months that we have been working together outside of the one-on-one, I'm curious, what has been your greatest takeaway from working with Kyle and I and the REI Results Academy?
The biggest takeaway, see how I repeated that there. The biggest takeaway is the group itself. Because there was a time where I had a question about some posts that I wanted to add more pizzazz to. And within minutes, I think it was Nicole responded with, okay, you do this, this, and this, and that'll work. I was like, great. I didn't have to sit out here and write an email and say, you get that generic email back from, this is support at XYZ. Someone will be in touch with you in 48 to 72 hours. That generic nonsense. Yeah. Instantly, I got feedback. Boom, 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 from a whole list of people. That is irreplaceable from anything else that you do. You get instantaneous, real answers. You're never, ever alone. There's always someone there. I guarantee you, whatever questions that you have, someone in this group has gone through it already.
That's fire, bro. I love that. I love it. You give me the goosebumps, man. And it feels good, sure, but it's not about ego. It's that's exactly what I wanted. I wanted people to have the community, have the camaraderie, even if you're not super active, when you turn and hey, I need something, boom, you got it. So I love hearing that. And I'm glad that not just myself, but the rest of the community has come around to support you in this journey.
I give you 1, 2 thumbs up. My name's Lynelle, and I wholeheartedly endorse REI Results Academy. Get it done.